Hello everyone, students. Today we are going to discuss a topic named as a section formula, and this particular topic mentioned in 10th standard syllabus. And today we are going to discuss what is the meaning of section formula and how it is works. Now, see, the topic is section formula. Now, firstly, we have to know what is the meaning of this. Section means to divide something. There is a point. Suppose if the point P, whose coordinates xy, divides the line segment joining the points. There is a line segment whose endpoints we have given. The one point, the starting point is A, coordinates x1, y1, and the second point, or you can say the second endpoint B, coordinates x2, y2. This point P divides the line segment joining the points A and B in the ratio m1 ratio m2. It means if any points divide any line segment according to a given ratio, then how we can find the coordinates of that particular point which divide the line segment in some ratio. Now, we are able to find the coordinates of that particular point with that formula, that particular formula known as a section formula. Now, what is the method to learn this formula? Suppose there is a point P which divides the line segment joining the points A and B. If we see pictorial representation of this, we can say that there is a line segment known as AB and coordinates like as, suppose there is a point A, coordinates x1, y1, point B, second endpoint, coordinates x2, y2. These are the coordinates of the second point. Suppose there is a point P, coordinates x, y. Okay, and this point P divides the line segment joining these 2 points in the ratio m1 ratio m2. It means we can say that AP ratio PB, because this P point divides the line segment AB into 2 parts, AP ratio PB. I have noted here in the ratio m1 ratio m2. In this case, according to this specific formula that is known as section formula, how we are able to find the coordinates of this point P? Obviously directly mentioned here in the algebraic from xy. The formula is that m1 x2. It means m1 is the ratio, the first element of the ratio, m1 x2. x2 means abscissa of the second point. m1 x2 plus, now reverse of it, there is m1, here you have to take m2, here x2, here you have to take x1. It means m1 x2 plus m2 x1 by sum of the ratio in which the points dividing the line segment. By this you are able to find the abscissa of that particular point which divides the line segment AB. Now, how we can find the coordinate of this point P which divides the line segment AB? The same process we have to use, but you have to do one change is here. At the place of abscissa, you have to take the coordinate. It means formula is same now here. m1 y2 plus, now reverse, m2 y1 by sum of ratio. This particular formula known as a section formula. Now students, how we can implement this formula? There are 2 types of the problems are there. Now skill number first we are going to discuss practically. Now what is the skill? First is here in which we are going to implement this formula known as a section formula, which I have already mentioned in front of you. This particular formula known as a section formula. Now skill number 1. What is the meaning of skill number 1 is here and how we can implement section formula in it. There is a point P whose coordinates we don't know. Means the point which divides the line segment AB, and what are the coordinates of point P we don't know, but the point P divides the line segment AB, coordinates of point A and B we have given in the ratio 2:1. Find the coordinates of the point P. It means in first case, skill number 1, we have given 2 points, 2 endpoints of a line segment, and a point. There is a point which divides the line segment AB joining these 2 particular points in some ratio. It means how we can find in this type of problem, how we can find the coordinates of that particular point which divides the line segment. Now we have to use the same strategy, but we have to divide this skill into two subskills, skill number 1 and skill number 2. Here we are going to study the skill number 1. Now students, let's see the practical example. We have to find the coordinates of the point P, but this point P divides the line segment AB into ratio 2:1. It means from here what we can say that firstly we have to find the coordinates of point P. We have to assume it. Let the point P coordinates you have to assume xy. Let the point P coordinates xy divides the line segment AB in the ratio M1:M2 as. Now what is the value of M1 and M2 here? This you have given in the question. What is the value of M1 and M2? It means AP ratio PB known as M1 and M2. It means 2:1 is here. We have got the ratio here. We have to find the coordinates of point P and endpoints we have given. This is x1 y1 and this is x2 y2. Now let's start and implement the section formula here. We have to find the coordinates of point P as. Now we start to implement the formula. Now according to the section formula, what we have to do here, M1 x2. What is M1 is here? 2. M1 x2. M1 x2. What is the value of x2 is here? x1 y1 x2 y2. This here x2. It means M1 x2 plus M2 x1. What is the value of M2 is here? 1. M2 x1. What is x1 is here? -2. -2 we can write. By sum of ratio 2 plus 1. Now for ordinate, same process we have to use. M1 y2. What is M1? 2. M1 y2. x1 y1 x2 y2. This is y1. M1 y2 we have required. It means x1 y1 x2 y2. M1 y2. It means 2 into 4 plus M2. What is M2? 1 is here. M2 into y1. This here y1 means 1 is here by sum of ratio 2 plus 1. Now students, do the calculation. 2 1s are 2 is here, plus minus by 2 plus 1 3, 2 4s are 8, 1 1s are 1 is here by 3. Now 2 minus 2 0, you know, 0 upon 3, 9 upon 3. Now do the final calculation. 0 upon 3 0, 9 divided by 3, 3 is here. Now what is the meaning of it? 0 and 3 are the coordinates. It means from here you can say that the value of x is 0 and the value of y is 3. Hence the coordinate of the point P are 0 and 3. Hence we can say that point P coordinates 0 3 divides the given line segment AB in the ratio 2:1. Dear student, this is the first skill, and in the next video you will see how we can find the ratio if we have given the coordinates of a point which divides a given line segment. Thanks for watching.